I'm Gary Kovacs, CEO of Accela, and I'm here to tell you why I'm very excited about our upcoming Accelarate conference this fall, held in beautiful Denver, Colorado. Now first, it's because my colleagues and I get to spend time with all of you, the civic leaders, influencers, and partners at the front lines of elevating the role of government and radically improving the way residents and businesses engage, interact, and thrive in each of your communities. You inspire us every day with the transformations you're leading, and your insights and feedback help guide our future. The Mile High City is the perfect setting for this year's theme, which is Government Elevated. We've lined up expert speakers to address all aspects of the theme, from industry trends to civic and IT leadership, to Accela product updates and vision to help you keep pace. Now, based on your feedback for more opportunities to get deep on the product and best practices at Accelarate, we've added more breakout sessions featuring more customers, partners, and product experts, and we've tripled the amount of hands-on training we're offering on all solutions and at all knowledge levels. And in the evenings, we're celebrating the people and ideas enabling teams to reach new heights and achieve greater success. And we even have some very special things planned to help entertain and inspire you. Hundreds have already registered to attend, and it's looking like an amazing group. If you haven't signed up yet, I hope you do soon. You don't want to miss the largest Accelerate to date, where we'll be raising the bar on how governments, residents, and businesses can partner, collaborate, and succeed together. I really look forward to seeing you in Denver.